Who hasn't learned it but makes a tutorial? Penstock channel! Hello spinner, you're on Penstock channel about pen spinning. My name is Alex Lance and today I will show you how I learned Double Hai Tua. It is also a nice way to master your Hai Tua in general and will allow you to link it with much more tricks. And also will show you an awesome link, which will not only help you to learn Double Hai Tua, but is an awesome finisher, which I have promised in my previous combo breakdown video. Okay, so far I'm not that great trying to make one Hai Tua right after another, but I can do it. Maybe one time out of 10 or 15, but can do it. Which shows that I'm on the right track. And if I will keep practicing, eventually I will be doing Double Hai Tua 8 times out of 10. And let me assure you, as soon as I will be able to do so, I will heavily flex in my Instagram and in our Facebook group. So follow both. Don't hesitate. If you learned Hai Tua according to my tutorial of the easiest way of learning it, you know how to start a trick with twisted sonic or extended thumb around. Let me know in the comment section below which one you prefer, by the way. By adding those tricks, we give a pen mod needed initial motion and inertia. Now, to learn Double Hai Tua, we need to be able to make the trick without initial motion, with fingerless thumb around. Because we finish Hai Tua with this trick and we'll start the second one with it as well. First, make sure that you can do fingerless thumb around like this. Take your pen mod between thumb and curved one, bigger part at inner hand side, other fingers are curved in a fist. You can sway pen mod at this position for a bit, and after that make it turn over thumb by this hand motion. At that moment, move thumb away to let pen mod move over it, and try to catch it steadily like this, with most of weight out. I would recommend you to pay attention on making it by the hand motion without involving one. Cause me personally, I tended to slightly push mod with index to help it go. Not good. We finish Hai Tua without one, so need to be able to make the trick without it as well. Should be clean fingerless thumb around. I don't wanna listen to your complaints about your thumb not being so-called hitchhiker thumb, or planet not being in the right position for you to learn it this way. Practice and you will succeed. No exceptions. And actually in Hai Tua you don't need to catch it. Hello? For Double Hai Tua you need to let pen mod drop from outer hand side. Yeah, don't get stuck on nailing to catch it for too long. It is pretty useful though, will help you to have more control. So now we need to try to make pen mod roll on fist. When you do fingerless thumb around, keep fingers curved and try to let pen mod do 1.5 revolution on top of them. At minimum, practice at least letting mod go on fist and roll down. For that, when it spins on fist, I move hand up with a very subtle circle. And when you kinda feel comfortable, try to point out pinky and try to hook pen mod with it in the right position. Depending on the pen mod you use, it is better to hook with pinky closer to mod's side or closer to its center, but the bigger part still should be out. It is like you pull out a fishing rod once a fish grabbed the hook. You want to make pen mod go up while still rolling in the air. Practice this for a while, and after that you will have to move hand down under a pen mod while it is still spinning in the air and point thumb away. So first it goes up to throw pen mod in the air and immediately goes down with a straightened thumb. While pen mod is rolling, you will need to make it roll over thumb to do fingerless thumb around. Sounds insane, and it is so. But to help you to figure out how it should be done, you can start Hai Tua with a mirrored Raymo back. I found this link really useful for this situation. It gives some initial inertia and still involves fingerless thumb around, unlike twisted sonic start, for example, when mod doesn't go over thumb at the beginning and makes turn over hand initially. As you can see, after mirrored Raymo back, pen mod gets in a good position exactly for fingerless thumb around. At the same time, it has enough ongoing initial inertia than when you start with a simple fingerless thumb around. And yeah, that's the finisher I was talking about. You remember the link finishes with the mirrored Raymo back, right? So now you can easily add a Hai Tua and by doing that transform an intermediate link to a 5th level one. Either way, we end up Hai Tua with fingerless thumb around, which in its turn is its start, so you still have to learn how to do it from still position. So mirrored Raymo back is only for practicing, for letting you feel a little bit more comfortable. And that's where I kinda got stuck a bit. Because we need to adjust balance of throwing pen mod up. It should not go too high in the sky and at the same time not too low. And after that should be a properly made fingerless thumb around and another Hai Tua. But still I can make double from time to time, as I told before. And that means that it is achievable. And probably you will be more efficient than me. So wish you good luck with all that. Cheers.